I am sure you already saw these results from Anthropic, and they look great. But it's more important to understand what they really mean. Anthropic is no longer hiding. They are focusing their effort in creating an AI employee that can stay focused on a task for hours. That single idea summarizes the philosophy behind Claude Opus 5. Now let me explain to you, why am I saying this? The new goal is no longer to create an assistant that answers your next prompt. The goal is to create an AI that can take an objective, work independently for hours, use tools, recover from mistakes, and return with a completed project. You hear it right, a complete project. These benchmark numbers are telling us that. Claude now can plan dozens, or even hundreds, of steps ahead, just like an employee managing a complex project. It can search for information, write code, test its own work, fix errors, and continue without needing constant instructions from the user. Pay special attention to novel problem solving, the area where the improvement jumped 3.88-fold from ChatGPT. Yes, ChatGPT has 7.8%, and Opus 5 has 30.2%. Again, it is almost 4 times more. Novel problem solving means the AI is presented with completely unfamiliar challenges that require it to reason from first principles instead of relying on memorized patterns. This is important because humans rarely face problems that come with answer keys. We encounter new situations, analyze them, form hypotheses, test ideas, learn from failures, and eventually discover solutions. The stronger an AI becomes at solving truly novel problems, the closer it moves toward human-like reasoning. It does not mean the model thinks exactly like a person, but it does mean it is becoming increasingly capable of adapting to situations it has never encountered before. Think about it in programming terms. Opus 5 reasoning, planning, memory, tool use, and self-correction improvements are amazing. If a model becomes an excellent programmer, it usually becomes better at many other professional tasks as well. Anthropic also continues to make AI safety one of its biggest priorities. Another important announcement is cost. Anthropic significantly reduced the cost of running Opus 5 compared with previous Opus models, making it much more practical for businesses that execute thousands or even millions of AI tasks every day. However, this does not necessarily mean Opus 5 is inexpensive compared with the rest of the market. OpenAI's GPT 5.5 and Google's Gemini family still offer highly competitive pricing for many workloads, especially when using their smaller or optimized models. For many companies, the decision will not simply be which model is smartest, but rather which model gives me the best intelligence or what I need for every dollar I spend. As AI adoption grows, cost becomes almost as important as raw capability because even a small price difference can translate into millions of dollars at enterprise scale. On the other hand, the Chinese AI are very, very competitive. Taken together, these improvements reveal Anthropic's real strategy. They are no longer trying to build the chatbot that gives the quickest answer. They are trying to build an autonomous digital coworker that can plan, reason, use tools, solve unfamiliar problems, and complete hours of productive work with minimal supervision. Without vacations, personal problems, doesn't get pregnant, etc. The race is no longer about who has the smartest chatbot. It is about who builds the most capable AI employee. So coming back to the cost, how much does a software engineer make every year? Are we getting closer and closer to that point?